Hi, grade 1, Egyptian new syllabus. Today I will resume unit 1 that I started last video. Then I will take lesson 1 and lesson 2 in unit 2. But before I will go to our unit today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Today, this video for grade 1 Egyptian syllabus, unit 1, lesson 3, and I will take lesson 1 and lesson 2 and lesson 1 and lesson 2 in unit 2. Let's go to our lesson today. Today we will make a quick review on what we took last video. Last video we learned some vocab and learned some vocab that we learned in this unit. We learned hello. We learned the words of greeting like hello, shake hands, play, and we know on the last class also our last video we learned some vocab related to letter T like table, tiger, tomato, teacher, and tree, and we know how to write the letter T and capital and small or uppercase and lowercase. I hope to practice on how to write this letter. I think I leave you the booklet below the video. I hope to download it and write it by yourself, or make your parents download it and write it by yourself. Last class also we learned some vocab related also to letter. Last class also we learned the tools that we find in our classroom like book, bag, chair, pencil, desk, and board. We learn some rules or some instructions in our classroom like sit down, stand up, open your book, and close your books. As we took it in Connect before. Last video also we learned the letter I, and we know the vocab related or the words related to letter I, like what, like in, like ink. We learned ink, in. We have also ink, in. I will make a quick revise on the words related to letter I. I will return to the letter I and know what the words that we learned last video about letter I. In the last video, we learned letter I, capital I, and small I written like this. Insect. We have insect also. Capital I, and small I. Last class we learn in, we learn insect, we know insect, we know in, insect, and in insect, we have in and insect. We have in and we have in, ill, and insect. Okay, this is the words related to letter I. Let's go to the last lesson today. Last lesson in this unit. In this unit, as we know here, that here we learn letter I. Here we say, so here is the phonics. Circle the words related to capital I and small I. Let's do it together. Here we have ink. We have here in. We have here insect. So we have 3 words related to letter I. Here is in. Here is ink. And here is insect. Written like this. Okay, here we have insect. Here is we have insect. In. I would like to write it to be clear, to be more clear. Here is we have ink written like this. Here ink. We have insect written like this. Here insect. And here we have in. See? Here we know in, insect, and ink. Let's continue the rest of the, if we have a rest, or we will take a new unit. I think it's the last one. So here is the trace. I hope to do this by yourself. Okay. Here we have the word in here, or the vocab in that related to letter what? To letter I. Capital I and small I. Uppercase and lowercase. We can say capital letter and small letter, or uppercase and lowercase. Both are correct. Choose the correct picture related to the letter I. Here we have capital I and small I. What's the letter here that related to letter I? It will be here in. So I select this one. This one. Letter T. Here we have capital T and small t. What is the word related, or the vocabulary related to the letter T? It will be here tiger. Here is we have T also. What's related to this letter? It will be here tree. I. It will be here ill. Okay, written like this. Ill written like this. Okay. Let's go to another item here. I would like you to keep the vocab grade 1. It's important to keep the vocab, okay? Important to keep the vocab and know how to write it in correct spelling, okay? To don't have minus marks in the exam, okay? Let's go to another unit here. Today we start unit 2. In this unit, I will give you lesson 1 and lesson 2 only to be able to study and follow me in the videos. Here is the dialogue. Let's read this dialogue together. Here is Maya. The dialogue is between Maya and Hannah. Look, the grass is green. I can see flower. Yes, the flower is red. So here we can pay attention with me that we talk about what? About the colors. Here is green. Here is red. And look at the sky. Hannah replying Maya. And look at the sky. It's blue. So here we have green, red, blue. So here in this unit, we learn what? We learn colors. I can see a tree. Oh, me too. Maya, I can see a tree. Hannah, me too. Oh, look a butterfly. A butterfly is flying near the tree. And I see a little bird in the tree. So here we have the 3 colors, green, red, and blue. Let's go to continue our unit today. Here we have some vocabulary related to this unit. Let's learn it together. We learn sky, butterfly, bird, tree, grass, flower. I would like to say that the butterfly, if they have a small insect that from it, it will be caterpillar. We have caterpillar. Is the smallest small butterfly called caterpillar. Okay, I would like to know it. Okay, it's not not in your book, but I write it to know it. Okay, it is called caterpillar. Caterpillar is the small insect of butterfly. Okay. This is called caterpillar. Let's continue the rest of the unit. Here we have sky, butterfly, bird, tree, grass, flower. I will repeat that a bit after me. Sky. I would like to have pencil and to have pencil and paper to write with me the vocab to keep it. I would like to keep it. I keep in the video to be able to study. Sky is an easy word. Butterfly. We say butterfly. Bird, tree, grass, flower. I will repeat again and repeat after me. Sky, butterfly, bird, tree, grass, and flower. Let's continue. Let's go to another item here in this unit. Here we say, this is the 2 girls, talking to each other. Let's know what these girls talking, or what these girls, the conversation between 2 girls, what is this conversation is about. One of them saying, I can see a bird. What is this? This is a butterfly. The grass is green. The sky is blue. Sun is yellow. Flower is red. So here we take care that we know the colors. Green, blue, yellow, red. I would like to repeat after me. Green, blue, yellow, red. Green, blue, yellow, and red. And I think that we took the colors and took the shapes in the previous syllabus, which is Connect. We took it before. I think this syllabus is not different totally than the last one. It have some things that related to each other. Let's go to another item here. Here is find and circle. Circle is a picture that you can find it in the garden. So you go to the garden and we have things that we see in the garden. In the garden, what can we see in the garden? In the garden, we see grass. In the garden, we see bird. In the garden, we see butterfly. In the garden, we see tree. In the garden, here is a grass also here. Here we have a grass. Flower, yes, all this I can see in the garden. Yes, I can see in the garden. Bird, I can see grass, I can see flower, butterfly, and tree. Okay, this is the thing that I can see a chair, not a chair. I see it, not a chair in the garden. Okay, so this is the things that I can see in the garden. Okay. Let's do this exercise together. Here we say, listen, point, and circle. Here is I tell you the word, then you circle the picture related to this word. Here we have grass. Which one is grass here? I'm listening using the green one. You are clever. And now we know that the grass is what is the color of the grass? It's green. I'm listening using green. You are clever people, and you are pay attention with me during the lesson. Flower. Which one is flower? This one. Sky, which one is sky? This one. A tree, which one is tree? This one. Butterfly, this one. A bird, this one. All these are things that related to this word. So here we have grass, we have here flower, we have a sky, we have here tree, we have here butterfly, and we have here bird. Let's go to the next lesson. Today I would like to say that we have 2 lessons only to be able to study, but I would like to study. I give you a few items, but I would like to study it, to study by heart, okay, and study and to take care when you study, okay. Write the word and the word matches to the picture, and don't to the word that don't match this picture. The grass is green. So here I put right or wrong. I put here right because it's correct. This is a bird. No, this is not a bird. Or this is what? This is a flower. As we know during the lesson, I think we learned the lesson and we know this is not a bird. This is a flower. This is. I can see the sky. Can you see this sky? Not this is not a sky. This is what? This is butterfly. So this is butterfly. Okay, it's called butterfly. Sorry, butterfly. Okay. So this is wrong. Okay. I can see a tree. Yes, I can see a tree. This is a butterfly. No, it's not a butterfly. It's not wrong. Not a butterfly. This is a flower. Yes, it's a flower. Okay. Your book is very interesting and to have many activities to practice for what we learn grade 1. I hope to take care from your book, your textbook, and the textbook is easy and you can't need to have any extra book because it's an easy and we can do the exercise related to the lesson we learned during to the lessons that we learned. Okay, so he make your mind, give you the lesson and make your mind by asking a question related to the lesson. Here is we have grass. Which one is grass here? I select grass by this one. Flower. Which one is flower? This one. Tree. This one is this is a tree that matches. Butterfly, bird, and this one is bird. Which one is the sky? This one is the sky. Let's go to another one. Listen to your teacher and repeat. Here is spider, 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 sun, spoon, snake, star. So here we learn letter what? Letter S. Capital S and small s. Last class we learn what? We learn capital T and small capital T and small t. We learn capital I and small I. And today we learn capital S and small s. So now we learn 3 letters. Now we have 3 letters: capital T and small t, capital I and small I, capital S and small s. Let's go to capital S and small s that we have that will be learned in this video. It will be here capital S and small s, capital S and small s. Here we have spider, spider, spoon, spoon, sun. We have here spider, spoon, and sun. Here we have a star written like this. And here is we have a snack. Here is we have a snack. Here is we have a snack. Star. Here is sun. Written like this. And we have here spider. Here we have a spider, and here we have a spoon also. We have here spoon. And here we have a spoon. Here we have spoon. Here we have spoon. We have here spider, sun, star, and snake. Spider, sun, spoon, snake, and star. I will repeat and repeat after me. Spider, spider, snake, sun, spoon, and star. Okay. I would like to to have a paper and pencil and write the words that we learned during the video. Okay, because it's important to keep it. Okay, it's important to keep the vocab. Okay. Here is capital S and small s. Now we learn how to write capital S. This is small s, and this is capital S. I will leave you the book, the link of the book below the video to download it and trace this letter. Okay, let's go to the phonics here in lesson 2. Here we have sun, sun. Here we learn sun, capital S and small s, sun. This is an activity. You can do it by yourself. I will leave it to you because it's not come in the exam, but you can do it by as yourself, as creative. You are creative and can do this by yourself. Let's learn the words that I would like to know it, and the uppercase and lowercase of writing the letter. This is called the uppercase, capital S, and small and lowercase letter s, or say capital letter and small letter to be easy. Capital S and small s. It will be here sun. Let's do this exercise together. This exercise wants from us to select the words that started by letter S. Let's do this exercise together. Spoon starts with letter S, yes. Tree starts with letter S, no. Star starts with S, yes. Here we have dog, no, not start with letter S. Sun starts with letter S. Spider, excellent, you are clever pupil. Snack, you are clever pupil. You have here rocket start with letter S, no. A cat start with letter S, no. So here we have spoon, spider, sun, and star. This is the words that we learned in this lesson. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here is also we can write the capital S and small s, or uppercase or lowercase as we know it here in this part. Here is the you trace the sun and the star to colored. Okay, this is the same as the last one. Here is trace the beginning of the letter. Here it will be S. So we trace the letter S here. It's a star with star, like with the word star. We can trace this letter by writing it with by using the pencil, and write and do it by the points that the dots that we have here. Write the letter S as here in this word. It will be here star, snack, spoon, spider. Star, snack, spoon, spider. Okay. Here is we have the colors that we learned here in this unit. In this unit, we learn the green color. Here is green, green. The grass is green. The sky is blue. The sun is yellow. The flower is red. I will repeat and I will have a song to be able to start. The grass is green. The grass is green. The sky is blue. The sun is yellow. The flower is red. I will repeat after me. The grass is green. The grass is green. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. The sun is yellow. The flower is red. So we have green, green, blue. We have here green, green, blue, yellow, red, green, blue, yellow, red. By this item we end from our video today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video. Thanks a lot and till we meet again. Goodbye.